There is a quiet charm woven into crochet home decor designs, a kind of beauty that doesn't announce itself loudly but settles gently into a space. These handmade pieces carry warmth, patience, and intention, transforming ordinary rooms into places that feel lived in and loved. They are not just decorations. They are expressions of time, care, and human touch. In a world filled with mass-produced items, crochet home decor stands apart because every piece tells a story. It reflects hours spent creating something slowly, stitch by stitch, often in moments of calm or reflection. This slowness gives the designs a soul. When placed in a home, they soften sharp edges and bring balance, reminding us that beauty doesn't always need to be perfect or identical to be meaningful. One of the most special qualities of crochet decor is its ability to make a space feel welcoming. Whether it rests on a table, drapes over furniture, or hangs quietly on a wall, it adds texture and depth that cannot be replicated by factory-made items. These designs invite touch. They encourage people to pause, to notice details, and to feel a sense of comfort that goes beyond visual appeal. Crochet home decor designs also carry a sense of individuality. No two handmade pieces are exactly the same, even when created with the same pattern. Tiny variations make each item unique, giving a home character and personality. This uniqueness allows homeowners to express themselves subtly, choosing pieces that reflect their taste, values, and appreciation for craftsmanship. Beyond beauty, these designs often hold emotional value. Many are created as gifts, heirlooms, or symbols of care. A crochet piece in the home may remind someone of a loved one, a special season of life, or a meaningful moment. Over time, these items become part of a family's story, passed down or cherished for years, gaining sentimental worth that far exceeds their physical form. Another powerful aspect of crochet decor is its connection to tradition. The craft has been practiced across generations, with skills often passed from hand to hand. When these designs appear in modern homes, they create a bridge between past and present. They honor heritage while still fitting naturally into contemporary spaces, proving that tradition can evolve without losing its heart. Crochet home decor designs also encourage mindful living. Choosing handmade pieces often means valuing quality over quantity. Instead of filling a space quickly, these designs inspire thoughtful selection, where each item has a purpose and place. This approach leads to homes that feel calmer, more intentional, and less cluttered, allowing beauty to breathe. There is also a quiet sustainability in crochet decor. Handmade items are typically created with care, meant to last, and often repaired rather than replaced. This mindset promotes respect for materials and reduces waste. Incorporating such designs into the home becomes a gentle statement about valuing effort, patience, and longevity. Ultimately, crochet home decor designs are more than just appearance. They bring warmth to rooms, character to spaces, and meaning to everyday life. They remind us that a home is not built only with walls and furniture, but with feeling, memory, and intention. Through their softness and simplicity, these designs teach us to slow down, appreciate detail, and find beauty in the handmade touch that turns a house into a true home.